What's up, everybody? Hey, there's Michael Zuber there. Again, this is our Tuesday call that we just discuss all kinds of cool stuff. And I got a question to ask Michael about, like, hey, what's going on in Vegas? You've been there. We got the same background this whole time, the last month. So
Yeah.
what are you and Olivia up to? And I know what you guys been doing, but
Yeah.
you got some new information. What's happening?
Yeah. So we have been talking, Olivia and I, for better part of a couple of years about possibly leaving the Bay Area, right? Initially, our thoughts, and again, if you watch my channel long enough, you'll know that we thought Southern California would be the spot. We went down there, spent a couple of 2 or 3 weeks, and it was just not us. Down south is you got to get on the freeways to go everywhere. Everything is spread out. Nothing is close. It's crazy
For sure.
traffic at 1 p.m. or 1 a.m. It doesn't matter. It's just
It
bonkers.
doesn't
It's
matter.
crazy. Doesn't
It's
matter. I don't know
not
where all
that
those
bad,
people
bro.
come. It's
So,
it's nuts. It's crazy. So that wasn't our vibe. So we're like, whatever. We've
right.
been talking about Vegas off and on probably for 5 years, but it always came back to it's hot, which I don't think surprises anybody. It's a desert.
It does, yeah.
Um, but we happen to be fortunate enough that we don't have to have a new place be our only home, right? We have a
Right.
great spot in the Bay Area. So Olivia, this is always about making sure Olivia's comfortable and happy because I was ready to rock and roll a long time ago. But she did come around and she's like, yeah, let's go check it out. So I came to a conference, I don't know, a month or a half ago, where we spent 2 or 3 days around Vegas because I had been to Vegas, Omar, 100 times, but never been to Vegas, if that makes sense,
Right.
right?
Yeah,
Because
no, it
I
makes total sense. Yeah.
right, I didn't know what it was, and so the first 3 or 4 days, we really got to see Vegas, and
Okay.
Olivia was interested enough to come back. So we come back home, and we're lucky enough to have relationships with a great agent here, Brian Lebo, who's been on the channel. He happened to have a house come vacant that he's like, hey, if you guys want to come for a month, come crash at my pad. I'm like, cool. Olivia was down, so cool. So we've been here now about 3 weeks, and we've been checking out Vegas. Henderson, Green Valley, Summerlin, this, that, the other. We've been looking at half-acre lots, condos, it's just all over the place. And long story short, we gravitated to new construction. We're just
Okay.
we don't want to take on a project if we don't have to.
No,
Um,
no, not at all.
Brian Lebo was amazing and showing us all these different places. He spent lots of time with us. And lo and behold, we found something we liked. We wrote an offer on, and we are in contract on something. So pretty cool.
Let's go. I'm sure it's a badass house too.
Yeah, it's. I'll give you some stats because again, I'm a sales guy. I don't believe in putting it all out there until it's actually closed. So we are in escrow, but we are not closed. If that makes sense.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
so it's the house is over 4,000 square feet. It's
Beautiful.
in a part of town that is both remote and private, but also 10 minutes to the strip if we want to go see Jerry Seinfeld or go have some good food. So it's both secure, gated, remote, and close. Brand new construction. We did get that. Uh, we also, again, because I am who I am, we got a discount from the builder of 10%.
It's pretty good.
I got the builder to
That's
kick
real
in
good.
below. I got the builder to kick in a below market interest rate of 4.99. I also got the builder to kick in an extra 10 grand in cash, and I made sure Brian Lebo got paid. I wasn't going to do any of this without it, but I did all this negotiation myself. So again, we got 10% off existing inventory. We got an interest rate at 4.99, and I have 10 grand from
Beautiful.
the builder credit. I'm going to use that to hopefully get the mortgage rate down to 4.25. So yeah, 10% off new construction, home run. The house has a next gen suite that allows me to have a suite for my office, a gym, plenty
Oh,
of other bedrooms. So it is the perfect house for us. And I couldn't be happier. And we're going to go see it again today. We're going to go meet because the backyard's pretty bare. We're going to go get a Mac Daddy pool and backyard. We're going to go start that. So we're in escrow to close on something. So yeah, and both of us are super happy. And once we're done, we'll do more stuff. So, crazy things always happen. But yeah, I'm ecstatic.
that's cool, Michael. And by the way, question: is it a one story for both of
No, it
you?
is It is 2-story. We looked at some crazy 1-stories. We looked at half-acre lots, but we got a 2-story with a pretty spectacular view.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. I'm excited to see this, man. This is cool.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So, yeah, this is what's going on.
Beautiful.
Again, I'll catch everybody up. Again, Vegas for us allows us probably spend 9 months, maybe 6 months here. The food scene is awesome. That was a big thing for us, Omar, that we wanted to see because we like to eat out. We like good food. We've been here, I think, 2 or 3 weeks now. We've eaten out twice a day, and the food in Vegas is far superior to what we get back home and cheaper. And we've tried everything. We've tried Greek, we've tried Italian, we tried Asian, we tried American steaks, sushi. Just Vegas is us because we're foodies. It's the Bay Area food was great, but it's gone downhill because you can't afford to live there anymore. Um, I don't know if you could tell, but I'm pretty excited by what's going on.
No, heck yeah, man. I mean, this is the thing. When you said you've been to Vegas a number of times, that's like all of us. Like we've all go to Vegas for Vegas, right?
Right.
For gambling, for the strip, for
Hmm.
the pool parties, for this, for that, but not like to live there. Even though I lived there, I was still on vacation when I was living there. So that's a
Yeah.
different story. But to enjoy the food, the restaurants, the shows, like to utilize Vegas for that and the connections and the golfing and this and that, it's a whole different ballgame, man. It's like it's another world.
Yeah, I think Olivia and I are going to be remarkably happy here. We are so our home bodies, and this home is 3 times bigger than what we have today. So meets us. We have a room for everybody we would want. I got a room. Olivia's got a room. Teresa's got a room. We got an extra room for guests. We got a loft. We got this. We got that. The backyard's going to be just nuts. So again, more data will come. I'll probably do a walkthrough video once it's done.
Yes, you
Um,
have to for sure.
oh yeah, and we got a spare room. So if you ever want to come out and do some content together or whatnot, we got a spot for you, Omar.
Hey, that'll be freaking rad. I might have to take you up on that just to throw some content out there and just talk about stuff and then have
Yeah,
good dinner. That'd be cool.
yeah,
That'd be really
yeah,
cool.
yeah. We'll do something once it's done. We look forward to it, and thank you for being here. Thank you for asking. I'm pretty excited, but I'm still, we're 3 weeks away from being done. So we'll see what happens.
All right, once that signature happens, that's it. Let's
Yeah,
go.
once the wire goes out.
Uh-huh.
There you go. Well,
Good
Omar, thank
stuff.
you for asking.
Awesome.
You have an amazing week. All right.
You too. Thanks, Michael.
Thanks. Bye.